Yeah. No, it's just across town. Yeah, well, I mean, you know how important this is to me. Yeah, I mean, 4 years of school, loan on top of loan, not to mention Christy. I always put more into my acting than I ever did into our relationship or anything like that. Yeah. No, I don't know a whole lot. I know he's an auto mechanic, struggling to support a family, trying to make ends meet. Yeah, you know. Yeah. Well, but anyway, you know, I should really get going. I don't want to be late to the audition. Yeah, thanks for talking. Yep. Yeah, I'll let you know how it goes. Thanks. Bye. Sorry, Duke. Gonna have to wait till I get home to get back inside. No. Come on. Fact check the script. This is not going to work. Yes! I should have filled the damn tank. Oh, come on. Seriously, Duke?
Wow. Jake, is it?
Yes.
You show up 10 minutes late to an audition. Your shirt's untucked and wrinkled, stained with motor oil and your own excessive sweat, followed in by a cloud of your own stench. It's like you have no ambition and have lost before you even got started.
Sir, I'm so...
This is already the best audition I've ever seen. You've obviously taken this low-life character and have made it your own.
That's exactly what I'm going for. I'm ecstatic that you see it.
I am so excited. Now, Jake, tell me about yourself.
So I read through the script. Tell me, will the screenwriters be intimately involved with the process?
One, unfortunately, the other one had to leave. The one that